Umechelewa.
Mwanzo you need introduction.
Together with Honorable Dan Manzo, he's an advocate at the Member of Parliament, Mr. Nyamae, senior advocate, Mr. Siemo, Mr. Kinyo, and Mr. Owenjo. We are appearing with Mr. Wanjigi and Irene in the intended prosecution which were brought to court today. I must say that yesterday, when armed terrorists attacked our clients, in fact, the attack took place on Monday, 17th. We filed an application before the High Court of Kenya, and we did obtain orders stopping the arrest, arraignment, or registration of any charge sheet against our clients. The DCI, rogue as it is, proceeded to forcefully break into our clients' premises and forcefully arrested and detained for more than 24 hours in disregard of the court order. The court order was served on the officers and their officers. Today in court, we've informed the magistrate of the existence of the court orders. We confirmed the DPP, who, in true duty and respect of the Constitution, has communicated to court that they shall at all times be guided by and comply with orders of the court as and when issued. And in that regard, the DPP has proceeded to inform the court that they do not intend to proceed to register or continue any criminal proceedings against Mr. Jimmy Wanjigi and Ms. Irene Wanjigi until any further orders or directions are issued by the High Court. So, as we stand today, there are no ongoing criminal proceedings against Mr. Wanjigi and Ms. Irene Wanjigi. The DPP has accepted and has committed to obey that court order, and by conduct they have. We must now draw parallels between the office of DPP and the DCI. We will not fight criminal justice in the way that DCI is conducting itself in disregard of court orders. When they engage in acts that almost amounts to criminal acts and forcefully break into people's homes, forcefully arrest and detain, where do they intend those people to go? You only take them to court. And if the same court has given an order, lawfully so and served upon the officers of DCI, we'll do a great service to this country if the DCI officers respected those court orders. Because at the end of the day, you go back to those very same courts. And I must say this, you will note that the purported charge sheet on which the intended prosecution of my clients was based was written under the hand of Mr. George Kinoti on the 30th of November 2021. You will all recall that on 29th of November 2021, the High Court of Kenya had refused an application by Mr. Kinoti to review his committal to jail for 4 months on an application filed by Mr. Jimmy Wanjigi. This is personal vendetta. He filed that letter recommending prosecution on 30th, one day when he was already a convict and ought to have been in prison. In fact, in working system, that letter by Mr. Kinoti, at the time when he wrote it, he was a convict of the law, didn't have any authority to even perform the functions of a police officer. To proceed to write a letter and to act on it shows you how he has great disregard for the rule of law in this country. We have committed to pursue the rights and interests of our clients to the very end. And we also know, as was said yesterday, our client seems to have a penchant to be harassed every time elections are coming. If it's not guns, it becomes land, it becomes so many things. And the manner in which my client has been subjected to harassment in our justice system calls to question the motive of the persons who are doing it.